So I find another surprise every time I look at my car. So now this time I was going to try to take the fan out, but so I saw this right here taped to this hose right here. I'm not sure exactly what this is yet. It's on the fan. Looks like a broken connector. And it goes to this right there. So whatever this is, they broke the connector and they didn't hook it back up. Interesting. I can't wait to find out what that is. That would be Grubbs Nissan in Bedford. Drew all this up. Let me see here how this is routed. So this is routed through that top hole, and this is routed through the bottom hole. So something's holding it in. I think it's because that one connector is still hooked up. Oh, actually this too. Damn it. I'm already cutting all these zip ties because it's just too hard to get the connectors out. What in the fuck is that? Oh, I see. I don't know if that's something I want to mess with. But I don't think I'm going to have a choice. Unless I disconnect it right there.